It is Friday, September the 5th. Stocks definitely fumbled the ball today as early morning gains were pretty much erased and then some as selling accelerated to start the morning off as Wall Street continues to weigh on rate cuts coming up against worries of a slowing economy. Today, the Dow Jones fell about 220 points, the S&P fell about 0.3%, and the Nasdaq was down less than 0.1%. The major indices were able to move off of their lows from earlier in the session, and all three of these indices are going to be within striking distance of record closing highs going into next week. And Wall Street is definitely going to be looking for some positive news to counter the latest labor market news. We did get our Bureau of Labor Statistics non-farm employment change today, which came in little changed, with August adding only 22,000 jobs for the month. The unemployment rate rose to 4.3%, which is a slight uptick from July. Another important aspect of this report was the revisions. June was revised down 27,000 from plus 14,000 to minus 13,000. This report reinforces the cooling but not collapsing narrative. When it comes to the updated market readings, we can see that the weekly charts are all max bull, which confirms the long-term bullish bias. Leadership remains within the DIA and the IWM. The SPY also remains solidly bullish and stable. However, the QQQ is not fully aligned, which does reflect that tech hesitation. So the overall tone is that there continues to be broadening outside of tech. I would still classify this as a bullish development, but when it comes to the Nasdaq's lag, it does tend to feel more rotational and individual names hitting rather than everything moving up at once. Looking ahead to next week's earnings, we do get some interesting reports from Oracle as well as retail king GameStop, and we also get earnings reports from Adobe. But the crucial thing next week is definitely going to be on the economic data. Next week starts off a little quiet, but on Wednesday and on Thursday, we get new inflation data. Inflation is expected to see an increase to 2.9% to 2.7%. Stay tuned this weekend, as on Sunday, I will be dropping my 5 favorite setups for the week ahead. As always, trade smart and be good.